Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League Sideswipe with a Nintendo Switch controller. First, ensure your mobile device has Bluetooth enabled in its settings. Next, press and hold the small sync button on top of your Nintendo Switch Pro controller for a few seconds until the player indicator lights begin flashing. This puts the controller into pairing mode. Then, select the Pro controller from the list of available devices in your phone's Bluetooth settings. Once connected, you are ready for the next step. Now that your controller is connected, launch Rocket League Sideswipe and head into the game's settings menu. Look for the Controller tab, which will display all your input options. Here, you can customize button mappings, assigning actions like jump, boost, and air roll to your preferred buttons. Take some time to adjust the dead zone and sensitivity settings. A smaller dead zone offers more immediate response, while higher sensitivity can improve aerial control. Finding your ideal setup is key to success. With your controller configured, it is time to master gameplay. The dual analog sticks provide precise control for movement and camera adjustments, crucial for complex aerial maneuvers. Assigning boost and jump to the shoulder buttons often feels more natural and allows for quicker reactions. Spend time in free play to get a feel for your new setup, practicing wall shots and aerials. Consistent car control and anticipating ball bounces are fundamental skills that a physical controller greatly enhances. Using a Nintendo Switch controller for Rocket League Sideswipe offers numerous benefits. You will immediately notice enhanced precision and responsiveness compared to touch controls, giving you a significant competitive edge. The physical buttons and analog sticks allow for more nuanced movements and complex aerial mechanics, like air rolls and flicks, which are much harder on a screen. Plus, it provides a more comfortable and ergonomic gaming experience, especially during longer play sessions, reducing hand fatigue and improving overall enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.